All right, so today we're checking out a smartphone that looks seriously promising in both specs and real-world usability. This is the brand new Vivo V70 FE. At first glance, this phone already ticks a lot of boxes. A super bright AMOLED display, a massive 7,000 mAh battery, a powerful Dimensity chipset, and even a 200 megapixel camera. Sounds impressive, right? But as always, specs on paper are one thing. The real question is, how does it actually perform in daily use? Let's break it down. Let's start with the design and display. The Vivo V70 FE comes with an AMOLED panel that supports 1 billion colors, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, which means visuals should look smooth, vibrant, and immersive. And here's the crazy part. It can reach up to 1900 nits brightness in high brightness mode, so outdoor visibility shouldn't be an issue at all. On top of that, it's also built tough with IP68 and IP69 certification, meaning it's not just dust-proof, but also resistant to high-pressure water jets and can survive being submerged up to 1.5 meters for 2 hours. So yeah, this is not just a pretty display, it's also durable. Moving on to performance. The phone runs on Android 16 with Origin OS 6, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo, built on a 4nm process. That means better efficiency and solid performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday usage. For memory, you get options like 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, 12GB RAM with 256, or 8GB RAM with 512GB storage. And it uses UFS 3.1, which means faster app loading and smoother overall experience. No micro SD card slot here, but honestly, with up to 512GB storage, most users should be more than fine. Now let's talk about cameras. On the back, you get a dual camera setup, led by a massive 200 megapixel main sensor with OIS. This should deliver highly detailed photos, especially in good lighting, and still perform well in low light thanks to stabilization. You also get an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, which is great for landscapes and group shots. There's also features like HDR, panorama, and a unique ring LED flash. For video, both stabilization and quality are covered with 4K recording and gyro EIS. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera that also supports 4K video, which is perfect for content creators or just sharp video calls. Now this is one of the biggest highlights. The Vivo V70 FE packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery, and yes, that's huge. This should easily last more than a full day, even for heavy users. And charging? It supports 90-watt fast charging, which can get you to 100% in about 60 minutes. You also get reverse wired charging, so you can use it to charge other devices. Plus, there's bypass charging, which is great for gaming, since it reduces heat and protects battery health. For connectivity and features, it's pretty complete. You get dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, full GPS system, including Galileo, GLONASS, BDS, and QZSS, NFC support, infrared port. It uses a USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG, and for security, there's an under-display optical fingerprint sensor. Plus, all the essential sensors are here: accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. So overall, the Vivo V70 FE is shaping up to be a very well-rounded smartphone. You're getting a premium display, a huge battery, a powerful chipset, and a high-resolution camera, all in one package. It feels like Vivo is really targeting users who want performance, durability, and long battery life without sacrificing modern features. Definitely an interesting option to consider in its class. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.